Freestyle swimming is one of the most fundamental aquatic skills, but poor body position can significantly increase form drag, reducing efficiency and speed. In this presentation, I will analyze the impact of streamline and form drag on freestyle and demonstrate 5 learning activities designed to improve performance. By minimizing drag, swimmers can conserve energy, maintain momentum, and move through the water more efficiently. Before we dive into the analysis, let's briefly define streamline and form drag. Streamline refers to the body's ability to reduce water resistance by maintaining a straight, elongated position. Form drag is the resistance caused by the shape and movement of the body in the water. The more surface area exposed to the water, the more drag is created, making it harder to swim efficiently. In freestyle, achieving a low drag position is crucial for maintaining speed and endurance. High drag body position. Let's first look at an example of a high drag body position. Notice how the swimmer's head is raised too far above the water, which causes the hips and legs to sink. This misalignment increases the surface area facing the water, which in turn creates more resistance. As a result, the swimmer has to exert more effort just to maintain forward momentum.
We can see that the head is slightly elevated. This is a very common error, especially among beginners. When the head lifts too high, it disrupts the alignment of the spine and causes hips to drop. This increased vertical angle of the body results in more drag. The kick in this frame is too wide and lacks control. Instead of generating propulsion, it increases resistance and wastes energy. Ideally, the legs should remain close together with a narrow, efficient flutter kick. There is also excessive body roll in this frame. A certain degree of rotation is needed in freestyle, but rolling too far breaks streamline and makes the swimmer unstable. Over-rotation can also lead to asymmetrical strokes and fatigue. The hips are still low in this frame, further highlighting the issue with head position and core engagement. The swimmer also appears to pause during the stroke, which causes momentum loss. The arm entering the water is bent, not fully extended, which causes more splash and less effective glide. Again, this increases form drag by disturbing water flow around the body.
Low drag, streamlined position. Now compare this to an efficient low drag position. Here the swimmer's head remains in a neutral position, looking slightly downward. The body stays aligned with the surface of the water, reducing overall resistance. Notice how the legs are positioned close together with a smooth, continuous flutter kick. The arms extend forward in line with the shoulders, ensuring minimal disruption to the body's streamlined form. By maintaining this low drag position, the swimmer is able to move more efficiently through the water, conserving energy while maximizing speed. Now that we've identified the core issue, let's explore a series of 5 teaching and learning activities designed to improve streamline and reduce form drag. These activities progress from basic body position drills to more advanced freestyle techniques. Initial activity, streamline push-offs. The first activity is a streamline push-offs. This drill helps swimmers practice a proper body position from the start. By pushing off the wall with arms fully extended and body aligned, swimmers can develop an awareness of how streamlined position feels in the water. The goal is to engage the core and keep the body as straight as possible while gliding forward. Regression 1. Floating in streamlined position. If a swimmer struggles to maintain a streamlined position, we can take a step back with a simple floating drill. By lying face down in the water with arms extended, the swimmer can focus on feeling their body aligned without movement. This drill reinforces the importance of head position and core engagement before introducing any propulsion. Regression 2. Back kicking with streamline. Another regression is back kicking while maintaining a streamlined position. This removes the challenge of breathing and allows swimmers to focus purely on body alignment. Keeping the arms overhead and legs kicking consistently ensures that the body remains as straight as possible. This drill is particularly useful for reinforcing proper hip position and balance in the water. Regression 1. Freestyle with head control. Once the swimmer has developed an awareness of proper streamline, we can progress to full stroke freestyle while emphasizing head position. A common mistake is lifting the head too much while swimming, which disrupts body alignment and increases drag. By keeping the head in a neutral position, looking slightly downward, swimmers can maintain better balance and reduce resistance. Progression 2. Breathing with minimal disruption. Finally, we introduce controlled breathing, one of the biggest challenges in freestyle in maintaining streamline while taking a breath. Many swimmers lift their heads too high, which causes their hips and legs to sink. To correct this, swimmers should focus on rotating their heads in the side rather than lifting up, practicing the technique that ensures the body remains streamlined even during breathing cycles.
Each activity in the progression sequence was selected based on its ability to target specific biomechanical issues observed in the swimmer's freestyle, particularly those affecting streamline, form drag, and body alignment. The initial activity, streamline push-offs, is fundamental because it isolates streamline without the distraction of movement or breathing. It gives a swimmer immediate feedback on whether their body position is correct. If they slow down quickly, it usually means their alignment is off. The drill also helps reinforce correct positioning of the arms, head, and legs to minimize frontal surface area, a key factor in reducing form drag. The regressions provide further scaffolding. In their floating streamline drill, removing propulsion allows the swimmer to focus on static balance in the water. This teaches how buoyancy interacts with body composition and encourages them to engage their core and adjust small movements to keep tight line. The back kick in streamline shifts the body position but keeps core demand. It gives the swimmer a feel for proper leg movement and how subtle changes at the lower body affect overall streamline. The progressions aim to transfer body awareness and streamline principles into full stroke freestyle. The head control drill teaches one of the most overlooked concepts in swimming, the relationship between the head position and body line. Lifting the head during freestyle even slightly causes the hips and legs to sink, shifting the center of mass downward and increasing drag. Teaching head stillness encourages spinal alignment and a more efficient path through the water.
In summary, streamline and form drag play a crucial role in freestyle performance. A high drag position leads to wasted energy and slower speeds, while a low drag position allows for greater efficiency and endurance. The 5 learning activities in this presentation provide a progressive approach to addressing form drag, starting with basic floating and push-offs, then progressing through kicking drills, head control, and proper breathing. These activities help swimmers refine their technique and develop better streamline habits. By consistently practicing these drills, swimmers can improve their efficiency, reduce drag, and enhance overall freestyle performance. Thank you for watching.